This is a really important question, and a lot of you are actually unknowingly confused about this, so please stop and listen if you use oregano in any form. I'm Erin. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist with over 20 years of experience using essential oils. I'm also an herbalist, a holistic health expert, and a sound practitioner. I can help you live a holistic lifestyle with ease. If you appreciate this information, please make sure you add yourself to my mailing list and also give me a follow. Here we have the plant in question, one of my very favorites in the world, Oregano vulgare, which means joy of the mountain. This is the fresh herb as well as its dried flowers, end of season, so not looking the best. But you can take the leaves of this and either dry it or use it fresh in culinary preparations, which is my favorite way to use oregano because as an herb, all of the components of that plant are bioavailable to your body. Dried or fresh oregano helps to boost immunity and stoke digestive fire, which is so important for us. And in the plant form, it's already pre-diluted for you in the form that your body is adapted to be using. Okay, second use of oregano is pertaining to the question, oil of oregano, which is when you would take the plant parts of oregano, put them into a carrier oil, and basically infuse that into an herbal oil over the course of a couple of months. So with the herbal oil, you can use this for a wide variety of preparations, including internally. It is anti-inflammatory, it is anti-everything that's bad, basically. There's even a WebMD article about the benefits of the oil of oregano in case you don't believe me. Here is the important part. Here is where some of you are very confused, and this is a very dangerous mistake. Oil of oregano is an herbal oil. It is not the same as the essential oil of oregano. Oregano essential oil, totally different thing, totally different rules than oil of oregano herbal oil. But as you can tell from the names, it's kind of confusing. And if you do a Google search right now for oil of oregano, thinking you're going to find the herbal oil, you are going to find all kinds of articles that are actually referring to this. So here's the problem with that. The things that are safe to do with oil of oregano are absolutely 100% not safe to do with the essential oil. Go to part 2 for more.